Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Praz. Praz tablets contain alprazolam 0.25 milligrams in it. This is made by Ski Life Pharmaceuticals and the price for the box is 100 rupees. It has 30 tablets in it. Alprazolam is a triazolo analog of benzodiazepine class of central nervous system active compounds indicated for the short-term treatment of anxiety and anxiety accompanying depression. The central therapeutic action of benzodiazepines including alprazolam is a result of potentiation of the neuronal inhibition that is mediated by gamma-aminobutyric acid. Clinically, all benzodiazepines cause dose-related central nervous system depression activity, varying from mild impairment to task performance to hypnosis. The alprazolam is indicated for the treatment of anxiety disorder or the short-term relief of symptoms of anxiety states, mixed anxiety, depression, panic disorders. It's indicated in the management of panic disorders and illness characterized by recurrent panic attacks with or without agoraphobia. The dosage for this medication for anxiety is 0.25 milligram to 0.5 milligram given 3 times daily. Dose can gradually be increased at 3 to 4 days interval to a maximum of 4 mg a day in divided doses. For panic disorders, 0.5 milligram is given 3 times a day and the maximum dosage is up to 10 milligrams daily. Effectiveness of alprazolam by systematic clinical studies are limited to 4 months duration for anxiety disorder and 4 to 10 weeks duration for panic disorders. Dosage should be gradually reduced in keeping with good medical practice. It is suggested that daily dosage of Praz be decreased by no more than 0.5 milligram every 3 days. Some patients may require an even slower dose reduction. Some of the side effects of this medication are drowsiness, dizziness, increased saliva production, or change in sex drive or ability. This medication may be harmful to pregnant women and it is not recommended to be used during pregnancy, and nursing mothers also should be cautious because benzodiazepines are known to be excreted in human milk. It should be assumed that alprazolam is as well, and as it is general rule, nursing should not be undertaken by mothers who are using alprazolam. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.